Greetings YouTube, my name is Stuart and today I am in the former Japanese capital of Kyoto. I've been back in Osaka for about a day after 5 days in Tokyo, and it's been a pretty manic, or at least before getting back to Osaka, it was a pretty manic few days in Tokyo. I really enjoyed it though. Tokyo was amazing, just really ticked all the bucket list things off, so really enjoyed that. But for this leg of travel, I'm back in Osaka, and you know, Kyoto being a day trip out from Osaka, I thought I would just, you know, really spend a day here exploring the former capital. My objective with this vlog is to just really take it easy, kind of get those bucket list shots ticked off, the kind of shots that everyone gets, the temples, the shrines. What I will do, obviously, as I most often do, is just put my action camera on my strap and kind of give you guys the POV. So that's the plan for today. I've got lots of time on my hands. Conditions are interesting. It's not, you know, it's sunny, but there's like high clouds, so it's bright, but there's no real harsh lighting. So it'll be interesting to see what sunset serves up. So that's my plan for today. I've got a bike, so I'm mobile, which I'm very happy about. And yeah, I think the plan now is to just get some lunch. And then after that, explore the streets of Kyoto, the temples of Kyoto. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's see what we get on this little photo mission. One thing I have noticed about Osaka, and I suppose by extension Kyoto, is that it's a lot more old school than Tokyo. You know, Tokyo is all about panache and you know, being very, I don't know, gives off a bit more of a refined, sophisticated vibe. Whereas, you know, Osaka, it still kind of feels like it's got this very 80s feel to it. You know, from the velour in the train carriages, just, you know, to the architecture in the neighborhoods. Also the population. The population is very, very old in Osaka and across Japan, but Osaka just feels very kind of old school, retro almost in a sense. And that's interesting to me. I think it is a slightly more livable city than, say, Tokyo. I mean, Tokyo by no means is you know, impossible to live in. Beautiful, beautiful city, but you know, just in terms of the day-to-day and, you know, in terms of a city being manageable, I feel like, you know, Osaka would probably be the choice for me if I was to move here. So right now I'm walking through Nishiki Market, just looking for something to eat, some sustenance. It is about lunchtime. And after that I will hit the road once again on my bicycle and go in search of all the tourist hotspots. I am on top of the Sky Garden here at the Kyoto station. You can kind of get these panoramic views of Kyoto from the various sides of the station here. It's on top, it's on the 11th floor. So yeah, I've pretty much traveled the length and breadth of Kyoto today. I vastly underestimated just how big the city is. You know, I kind of thought it would be more like Hoi An, you know, in Vietnam, where it's kind of a tourist, you know, designed for tourists, or kind of caters more to tourists. And it's really just a city with, you know, a few traditional attractions, those being the temples, the bamboo forest. And I'm not done yet. I still have to go to Fushimi Inari Shrine. That's probably going to be my last stop on this tour of Kyoto. It's been a very busy day shooting, but I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I'd love to come back and spend some more time here. It really does have a quaint feel about it. And I really do like it here. I can see why it gets so many tourists. You know, the bamboo forests were quite nice, very picturesque. Although I must be honest, I have seen something similar in Korea, in Damyang. So that was nice, but not super novel. But you know, all over, just very nice kind of quaint Japanese city feels. I'm probably going to try and get some night shots in as well. You know, I know the Kyoto Tower will probably light up, and I'd really like to shoot that. That's quite a nice landmark. But for now, I'm going to take a few more minutes here on the Sky Garden at the Kyoto station, which itself is a very futuristic building, I must say. Probably one of the more futuristic designs I've seen, and it is also one of the largest in the country, I believe, designed by Hara Hiroshi. Very nice station to just have some downtime in, just relax and yeah, cool out a bit on the top floor of the Kyoto station.